What's up, Lock Nation? It's your girl Kenyatta here. It is summertime out here in the streets, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this super cute 2-strand twist headband on locks. So if you'd like to see how it's done, keep on watching. Alright, family, so the first thing that you want to do this headband braid is push your hair back a little. Just like this, okay? Push it back, just like so. You want to take 2 locks from where you want your headband to start, okay? So I'm gonna take 2 locks from here, just about here, because I wanted to actually go across like that. I wanted to go across, straight across. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my 2 locks. You can use 4 locks. So I took 4 locks from this section right here, just above the ear, because this is where I want the headband to cross, okay? Over, just like that, all right? Now, the first thing I wanna do to do this headband is separate these 4 locks into 2 each. I'm gonna start and do 1 twist, just like that. I'm going to take some hair and I'm going to put those 2 pieces around that hair, just like that. Then I'm going to take these 2 pieces and I'm going to twist it once. I'm going to hold it open. And I'm going to take some hair. Take those 2 pieces and wrap it around that hair, just like that. Bring that hair right through, just like so. Then I'm going to twist again, okay, just like that. I'm gonna hold that open. I'm gonna take some more hair, just like that. I'm gonna bring that 2 pieces right around, see, these 2 pieces here, bring it back. Then I'm going to twist once, twist, okay. I'm going to hold those 2 pieces of hair. I'm going to take some more hair, okay, take some hair. And I'm going to put that in between those 2 pieces, just like that. Follow me? Then I'm going to twist. I'm going to hold it. Hope you guys can see what I'm doing, just like that. Again, I'm going to take some hair, section of hair, just like that, coming back to where my twist is, okay? And I'm going to put that hair in between these 2 pieces, just like that. Then the 2 pieces, I'm going to twist them, just like so. And I'm going to hold it. I'm going to take some hair, just like that. Some hair. I'm going to put it in between these 2 pieces, just like that. Then I'm going to twist those 2 pieces, just like that. Then on the next side, I'm going to take some hair, okay, bring it back in between those 2 pieces, okay. Then I'm going to twist. All right, hold that open. I'm going to take some more hair from this side. I'm going to put it in between those 2 pieces, just like so. and I'm going to twist. So here we're at the end, and I did a twist, and I'm just going to continue to twist to finish this headband off. All right, and I'm really just going to tuck it underneath the hair, just like this. Grab a couple of locks from the back. Okay, we're going to go ahead and bring that down just like so. I have 2 rubber bands here, and I'm just going to go ahead and put the rubber band on to these locks just to hold it in place. Just like that. Go ahead and let that hair fall right in front. And that is super cute. A really cute way to tie your hair back if you do not want your hair to be in your face.
Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching my video. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit the like button. Share this video wherever you share cool stuff, on your Instagram, on your Facebook. Comment down below and let me know what you think about this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Turn on your notifications. Y'all know I ride with y'all the long way, right? You better know it. It's your girl Kenyatta here. Peace.